Hello friends, so here we go with one more circular uh, lamina projection. It's a number 49. Here they say a circular lamina is inclined to VP, appears in a front view as an ellipse of major axis 30 and minor axis is a 15 mm. The major axis is parallel to both HP and VP. One of the end of a major axis is in both VP and HP. So drop the projection. So here we need to understand there is an ellipse in the front view. Okay, so major is 30, minor is 15. So that is nothing but there is a circular lamina of 30 mm. Okay, and here they say circular lamina is inclined to the VP. So if lamina is inclined to the VP means it is resting on the VP itself. Okay, so at last the major axis is parallel to both the VP and HP. Okay, so here the things to be noted is there is a circular lamina which is 30 mm diameter, okay, which is resting on the VP. So how exactly we can find it is resting on the VP? Because they have said the lamina is inclined to the VP, okay, in the second position, and it appears like an ellipse. Okay, so we need to find what is the inclination, and in the final one the major axis is parallel to both VP and HP. Okay, so for example, if you take this is a circular lamina, okay, of a given diameter. So if it has to appear as an ellipse, so it should be tilted like this. Okay, so this is major axis and this minor axis will get reduced to the 15. Okay, getting, so when we tilt like this, so the inclination here will be it is inclined to the VP. That can be seen from the top view. Okay, so just to start with that, take a reference. Okay, so it is on the HP, on the VP. So on the VP, and its diameter is a 30. So you need to take a 15 mm radius. Okay, and before that, you should just drop on 15 mm. Okay, so now this is the center, and just drop a circle like this. Okay, and it should be on the XY. Just to make sure that the projection is proper, you can just drop it here and say this is pi 30. Okay, and drop on horizontal day. So this is our A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. So now it looks like a line. Okay, so this is A, so this is B in the bracket D, and this is a C. Okay, so now this looks like an ellipse. So the major axis will remain same. Okay, so at some point you just take one reference and just drop this is a major axis, okay, of 30. So if you want, you can just dimension here also. So this is 30. Okay, and measure the midpoint of this one, and it's a 15. So it's a 7.5 and 7.5. Okay, so this is the minor axis. You just drop a line. Okay, just to make sure that I will measure once again. Okay, so now this is 15. Okay, so this is our A dash, B dash, C dash and a D dash. So now we need to draw an ellipse like this. Okay, so when this one is done, just drop this A till here. So this is A, and just drop this C line well below the XY line. Now take the top view line, that is 30 mm, and A as a reference, cut it on the C line. Okay. Now just join this. Join this. So this is C and this is a B in the bracket D, and we need to measure this angle, that is a pi. Okay, so measure around, it is coming 55 to 56. Okay, now the major axis, so this one is parallel to the XY line, so we'll take a point, this is A dash. Okay, so this is 15 mm. Okay, and midpoint of this one here, and here it should be 15 that side and 15 this side, this because the major axis is a 30 mm. Okay, so we are taken like this, so A dash, B dash, C dash and a D dash. Okay, just to make sure that we're going to have an ellipse like this. Okay, so now to have this projection, one bottommost and a rightmost. Okay, so this is A and this is B, C and D. Okay, so now complete like this. Okay, so this is how exactly it is visible in the top. So what we had, so we have a circular lamina, okay, which is inclined to the VP. So here, so it is placed on the XY line like this. So it is tilted in such a way that it looks like an ellipse. So it is tilted like this. So now this angle is visible in the top view. So I have to see from here, okay, in order to see the angle. So it is like this. So we need to find this angle. Later we have tilted that this one in such a way that this is major axis is parallel to the VP. That is both the VP and the HP. So this is a problem number 49. Thank you.